Now we can go to, here we are, this is your place.
Let's go inside.
Another place again.
It looks like they.
All right.
Welcome to our studio.
Looks
That's
good.
our overhead light. That's for hair. These are our green screen lights. They make the green screen light up. These are the lights for the victim. It sits in the electric chair. This is a mirror so you can comb your hair.
Oh, yeah, your hair was getting kind of messy.
Yeah, it's this long.
You know what we didn't get was coffee. Why didn't we bring coffee?
Oh, we do have the coffee from yesterday.
Where's it at?
Right over here.
So is this the... How long has this been here?
That's been there for a couple of days. But
Got coffee in it.
good enough.
Just microwave it, right?
Let's go microwave it. Nice and hot.
All right, I'm gonna do mine.
You can't microwave with the lid on. What will happen if you microwave with the lid on?
Ain't that hurt,
It
does
can
it?
cause all kinds of issues. You gotta take the lid off.
What's it gonna do, blow up? Come on. I do it all the time,
Okay.
you know? It's just the same stuff. This is the same as the lid.
No, the lid has plastic. It has poisons and gases, and it can have electrical short afterwards.
Are you telling me that this...
You gotta take the lid off.
Look at here. Perfectly good.
Oh no. I smell something. We gotta get out of here. We're gonna die. Dad, what are we gonna do? This whole building is totally destroyed.
I wouldn't worry about it. Carlos can take care of it. He'll fix it.
I guess Carlos
Besides
can fix
that,
it.
I'm getting awful hungry. We say we get something to eat on the way
Okay.
home.
Let's go. Salute.
Now,